Y'all gonna make me lose my mind. What is up? Okay. This is MW3. I'm sorry about the shaking. I'm about to stop it. There it goes. Oh crap! It fell. Okay. I'm about to stop it right about. Oh no! There it goes. Okay, it's done. Okay. This is the glitch on Outpost. As you can see, I have no emblem on my name. I mean, not an emblem, but you know. Limited. Oops. Okay. Now, all that shit. By the way, it's Wesley here. Please comment, rate, subscribe. And there's my lighter play controller if you couldn't notice. But yep, and here's my fighting necklace. Can't really see it, but here's on Delta. Spawn there. We're back. Yep. Be on Delta.
Delta team, you are clear to engage.
Oh. Yeah. Shit, funny. So if there's a glare and you can't see anything up there, but okay. Change yours, you're gonna have that. Oh, you get my way. Okay, you're gonna stand right here. You're gonna wait a couple seconds. You're gonna run and jump over here. Aha, you made it. You would have made it if you. I'm really good at it. You get it, you can run on the railing over here. And if you run on the railing, you can jump over here. You jump over here. Oh my gosh. Put your tack down here and let's see. Dicky. I'm about to kill myself. Boom. That was easy. You didn't know how bad it would be. Good up, be you. No, I'm sorry. Sorry about that. You can't make it. He's excited. Yeah, Captain. Let's see. So this reflection is going to go over someone. Well, you can go here. Touch down. Here. There's a hole. It's secret. On top of here. Oh crap. There it is. Check down. Waste. Tack. Waster. That was funny. Like tack. Waster. Get in here. You can go in any window. You have to go out the second window. Or you don't have to, but you'll get stuck in any other windows. You're in here. Get over here. You could jump from the fan thing. Okay. I gotta kill myself. Okay, for you. Sorry about the glare, but it's just, I don't know. It's just a glare. Yes, I made it to the end. 360 death. Really, that hurt. I swear I saw him up there. Over here. If you get a care package, you can launch up there. That's how it goes. You could do that. And you can move there. Race, and you can want to jump over here. Something out. That's pretty much it on this glitch. Oh, I died. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. Please comment, like, rate, subscribe. And it's gonna be a 360 death. Here we go. Get away, get away, get away, get away, get away. Stop me. Stop me. Get away. You can know that song. Let's go. Hey, yo, Breezy. Never should have. That's not clearly. Let me search right now. Let's go. Get away, get away, get away, get away, get away. Stop me. Oh, yeah, that's it. You can get a care package. Just can't get up here. That's your care package. And yeah, we can get over there. And that's pretty much it, YouTube. Okay, stopping the video.